You know that quiet disconnect? Like something's just off, even when life looks great externally? Everything looks perfectly fine on paper, but it feels subtly heavy deep down, right? You might find yourself exhausted, just repeating the exact same life cycles without knowing why. That restlessness is totally real. You're constantly searching for a deeper meaning you can't quite name. But what if these struggles aren't random at all? What if they're woven into who you are? Unseen patterns, like people-pleasing or perfectionism, silently dictate how you think, feel, and move. Listen, you aren't broken. You just don't yet understand the hidden forces driving those patterns. Right beneath that inherited identity lies your soul's blueprint, your true, consciously lived purpose. The Dharma Archetypes Quiz is a simple tool designed to finally reveal this exact blueprint. If you're curious, start there. Then, let's unravel those patterns together in Patterns to Purpose. It's time to pause. Stop living the subconscious survival scripts you were simply handed. Make that profound shift today. Break free from old karmic loops and step into your true Dharma. Start your journey today. What deeper, hidden pattern is waiting to be discovered inside you?